All right, let's jump right into this explainer. We're tackling Johannesburg's wild weather with the ultimate solution, waterproof carports. Tell me, are you sick and tired of those violent afternoon high-veld thunderstorms absolutely soaking your car?
I mean, Joburg gets hammered, right? We're talking a massive 700 to 800 millimeters of rain yearly.
And get this, under a standard porous shadeport, your parked car is totally drenched in just 3 minutes.
So let's ditch the old mesh. Laminated or PVC waterproof shade cloths literally block 100% of rain.
For smaller, single-car setups, laminated HDPE is fantastic. It's a super lightweight and incredibly flexible mesh.
Need to cover a wider multi-car space? Go with heavier PVC-coated fabric. It's rigid and practically waterproof.
Plus, beyond stopping the rain, both of these amazing fabrics block 95 to 98% of harsh UV rays. Now you're probably wondering, with zero leaks, how do these fabrics hold up all that massive water weight?
Because high-valve storms don't play around. They can dump 50 millimeters of rain in an hour. That's incredibly heavy.
Which leads to a massive warning. A flat, waterproof canopy is literally a disaster waiting to happen. The real fix? Serious engineering. You absolutely need a rigid, correctly pitched steel frame to shed that water fast. Pronet specifically engineers heavy-duty 4-post and cantilevered frames to easily handle these massive water loads.
Okay, let's talk red tape, the biggest headache for property owners. Do you need municipal building plans for this?
Great news! Since they're classed as semi-permanent structures, you can usually skip the municipal red tape completely.
Check out these base frame prices. Keep in mind, adding the actual waterproof fabric is a premium upgrade.
The best part? Installation takes literally 1 day. The canopy lasts up to 12 years, the frame even longer.
Already got a well-sloped steel frame? You might just need a super quick, cost-effective fabric upgrade.
These dry driveways are popping up all over Greater Gauteng, from Joburg and Sandton right out to the East Rand.
So here's the question. As high-veld storms get even crazier, is your biggest asset actually protected from the deluge?